Here's the patch. I named it Paramore. I put a booster and then gain 30, tone 50, level 100. And next to it is our amp sim. We changed it into Revo 1, gain all the way up, tube 30, level 89, treble 40, mid 50, bass 100, and then presence 51, cab Revo 1, 4x12 output line. And we just added a whole reverb, and it has decay 10, tone 5, mix 46, pred 49, level 100, tail off. So the sound is this. We're gonna do a little bit of experiment. Do you remember the effect chain? Let's see what's the effect if we put the booster in between. There it is. So we just put the booster, because if we put it back here, first one, and then I like it better if it's in the middle. Clean one, I put it here. We've got tape echo, and inside we got time 450, feedback 20, mix 56, high DMP 5, level 100, tail off. And then so that we sort of get that clean tone or clean sound, we put or used FD combo, so it's a Fender sound. And gain is 24, tube 30, level 86, treble 46, mid 45, bass 44, presence 52, cab, FD combo 2x12, and output line. So that's what we just put in there. So we're just using two patches, one for the crunch lead and one for the clean with delay. That's our Paramore patch for Zoom G1xOn. You can use it for Zoom G1On, and the song is That's What You Get.